I can do. I can never get to you.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is another brand new video that I've not done before and in which I showcase my conscious face again. I think this will be the intro of any new video that I'll be trying, so bear for me. But in today's video I'm doing what I eat in a weekend. So I'll be showing you all the different meals that I eat during the weekend, and also I think you can get some easy, simple, Indian and realistic meal ideas from this video. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Today is Saturday. It's what date is it? It's 24th June, if I'm not wrong. And if I'm wrong, I'll just place the corrected text over here. But it's 24th June, it's Saturday, currently 11 a.m. I'm done with some warm water. I freshened up and then I have my second morning tea, which is green tea. I use the Organic India's Tulsi green tea with lemon and ginger. All the things that I'll be using in this video, they'll be linked in the description box below. So if you're interested, you can check them out from there. But it's currently 11 a.m. and I'm having this. Right now for breakfast, my cousins are coming to pick me up and to pick me and my brother up actually. And we are going to eat chole bhature. So we'll be going there after like half an hour or so if she reaches on time. So meanwhile, cheers.
Yeah, wish you to the side, even if it means that I die. I wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. Sign, I really love ya. Push you to the side, even if it means that I die. Wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. Sign, I really love ya. Wheels in your hands, I guess we need a new plan. There's a motel a mile down the road. Finally can stand, back then still looking for land. Jump on my back, I'll take you home. You know I always got you. You know I always got you. Push it to the side, even if it means that I die. I wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. Sign, I really love ya. Push it to the side, even if it means that I die. Wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. Sign, I really love ya. Love ya. Love ya. Always got ya.
Okay, so we are back home and it's currently 3:05 p.m. We went to eat chole bhature, but then we also went to eat dosa, and then we also had some mango shake which I couldn't finish. So but it was good to be out, but it was so hot. It was like 37 or 38 degrees, and I just sanitized everything and freshened up a bit, and I'm now home. Currently I think I'm going to edit a video that needs to go live today. I need to upload it today, so I'm going to most probably edit that video, and then when I'll eat again, I don't think so I'll be able to eat again for like next 5 to 6 hours because we have eaten so much. But I think whenever I'm going to eat, I'm going to film again. But till then, let's get to editing. Guess who took an uninvited nap? It's me. It's now 6:30. I uploaded the video and I just dozed off. I don't know when, but then I made myself some coffee because I am a caffeine dependent person, and I think there's just no justification for that. But this is how I usually make my coffee for the evenings, and I'm going to enjoy my coffee most probably watch something, and then I'll get you back at the time of dinner. Okay, so first of all, don't mind my appearance because I'm too exhausted by the heat, but about to go make dinner. And I'm making paneer tawa burger. Yes, I already have the recipe up on my channel, so you can go check it out by clicking the link somewhere here on the iCard or in the description box below. But that's what I'm going to be making today. I'm going to go make my dinner and then eat it. Yeah, like that's pretty self-explanatory. So let's go. Like a straight out champu today, but it's so hot. But let's just ignore the fact and focus on this beauty right here. You can see the cheese inside. I'm only having one though, but let's dig in. So good, although it has cooled down a bit because I was just setting up the tripod and everything, but this is something really good, so you need to try it. It's a very simple recipe. You can even try this with a bread, so do check out the recipe because it's so good. And I think I'm going to enjoy this, and if I eat something after this, I don't think I'll be eating anything after this, so I think I will meet you tomorrow morning, that is Sunday. Happy Sunday, you guys. So it's not morning because I woke up at 11:30 and then I was already half asleep because Sundays are meant to be lazy, and then after that I had my breakfast, but I forgot to film, and now it's 12:35. Literally it's 12:35 and I just freshened up and everything, and I decided to finally start the video because it got reminded of it. So for breakfast today I had 2 kachoris with aloo ki sabzi because it's like a Sunday ritual for our family to have kachoris. But right now I'm about to have a banana, but that's what I had for breakfast today, and I think I'm going to meet you at the time of lunch if I have any, because already it's 12:40. So we'll meet you the next time I eat. Okay, so it's currently 2:20 and I have my lunch, and for lunch today with me I have rajma chawal, and this is what they look like. I have some jeera rice, then we have a veg of lemon because I like to eat my rajma chawal with lemon with some rajma, and I'm gonna eat this, finish this lunch because it looks so good. Okay, so it's currently 5:30 p.m. and I decided to make a little evening snack, but I wanted to do something different. So on the other day I was like scrolling through Instagram and I found this really easy Korean noodles recipe. I haven't tried Korean noodles personally, so I wanted to try it, and I thought why not do it in this video. So I'm going to be making the Korean noodles. It's just boiling the normal Maggi without the masala, making a Korean noodle sauce, and then tossing the noodles in it, and your noodles will be ready. So let's go. Okay, so I've set up a saucepan and I'm going to switch on the flame, and then we are going to add 1 glass of water to it, like normally what we'll add for 1 packet of Maggi noodles, and then to this we'll add the noodles. Okay, so we are not using the masala, keep that in mind, and I'm going to break the noodles so that's easier for them to boil, and drop the noodles in, and I'm going to let this boil until it's nice and soft, and we'll move on to making the sauce. Okay, so for the sauce I have a bowl in which I'm going to eventually serve my noodles. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of peanut butter. I only have crunchy peanut butter, so I'm adding this because I don't have the smooth one, so I'm going to do with this. Now to this we will add in 1 teaspoon of vinegar. So I'm going to do that right now. So I'll just measure the vinegar and adding it. Not the vinegar, we are adding 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Then to this we will add in chili flakes, 1 to 2 teaspoons it says, which means it's going to be fiery, so I'm going to add only this much. That's like half teaspoon. So now to this we'll add sugar, 1 teaspoon. We'll add in some salt according to our taste. I feel like a little bit more. We'll add in some chopped garlic and mix this slightly. Now the thing is that I do not have sesame seeds, which I think is like a very important ingredient. So we'll be making this without it, but let's hope it turns out good. Now we'll temper the oil for this. I've set up a pan to heat and now I'm going to add some oil. This is olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. It needs a lot of oil though. So to this we'll add in 2 whole cloves of garlic, like that, and then cinnamon, bay leaf, and we need long. Okay, I'm gonna tear 1 bay leaf and add half cinnamon. Okay, so now we're gonna add the compost oil to this and mix very well. I forgot to strain the tempered oil. I forgot to add Kashmiri red chili powder, so I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so our Korean noodles are ready. The only thing I did 3 things wrong. First of all, I didn't strain the tempered oil. Then I didn't add like Kashmiri red chili powder while I was making the dressing. And third, I didn't have sesame seeds, so that was a big thing. But let's taste it any which ways. It smells of garlic and peanut butter. That's only I can smell. And it looks something like this. It's hot. I added less amount of chili than what was given in the recipe. By the way, the recipe link will be in the description box below, so you want to make it. It's very hot and it's very very creamy and rich because of the peanut butter. So the peanut butter is making it extremely heavy, and I cannot taste anything rather than chili and peanut butter because they have a very strong taste. It is hot. I'm not gonna lie, it is hot, but it is really nice and very very different. It's like a different taste for my palate because we already eat a lot of everyday noodles. So I think this will be like a 7 out of 10 because this is not an original Korean noodle. So this is a 7 out of 10 for me, but it's hot. So if you are someone who does not like spicy things and is very mild about all of this, then you might not like it, but it's okay, it's nice. The more I'm eating this, the more I'm liking it, and the more it is getting to me because it's hot, but it is good. So I changed my rating from 7 to like 8, solid 8, because it's good and you need to try this. And actually I feel like sesame seeds would take it to another level. So, and also add like a good amount of sugar. You can add 1 tablespoon even, because that doesn't make a lot of difference and it helps to balance out the flavors. Got myself a glass of chilled shikanji to wash that spice down. So cheers. Good. So I think I'm going to meet you at the time of dinner, and that will be most probably the last meal of my day. Okay, so it's 8:30 and I'm back at the time of dinner, and this is what I have for dinner today. So we have rice, roti, papad. This is shahi paneer, more like a kadai paneer preparation, and this is rajma. And with this is the last meal of my day, so I should wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe my channel by clicking that red button down below. Also press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Follow my socials, and if you want me to make more such videos, then make sure to comment down below. Thank you so much for 245 subscribers. I hope, fingers crossed, that we reach 250 subscribers with this video. It will mean a lot, so make sure you subscribe. And thanks for watching me and my pimple, which has popped up throughout the era of this video. Bid you a goodbye.